Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Hey y'all, 2 o'clock in the morning, man. Bring y'all this update. Not really an update, man. This shit. This is a how-to, nigga. We qualified. If you seen the intro, man, then you can see what I'm talking about. So a lot of people was asking about like well actually I was even asking about like how are you supposed to run these wires for your LS swap to get your air conditioning. So for those of y'all who may or may not have followed the channel, I bought this bracket off of eBay. Shout out to my dog Mike. I seen him have it on his Monte Carlo first. From there, I went ahead and I grabbed one. The compressor that I'm running is a 8990 Caprice one, along with the 8990 Caprice hoses right here. Didn't have to get anything custom fabricated or anything like that, and it's working. So pretty much from over here in this corner, as you can see, there are 3 wires, 2 light green and a green. Now this this green one here, the dark green one, runs to put 12 volts to your compressor. Don't mind the wiring. Like I said, I just finished up, so I'm bringing y'all this exclusive. But yeah, I gotta shrink wrap them and solder shrink wrap them and get them tied up. But so the green wire from here on my pseudo by Chevy, depending upon what your connector looks like. So basically, what this does is your pressure switch here, once it hits a certain psi, it's going to trigger the switch, which turns on the compressor. Once that engages, it's going to send that power out from there. Now, one of these green wires, one of the light greens is coming from inside the car, and that one that's inside the car goes and it connects to your AC head unit. So when you put it on max AC or whatever you put it on, that's what's going to send the signal or send the hot pretty much to here. Then when the switch triggers on, then it's going to take that power from there, put it into both of these green wires. One of the green wires I'm going to be running to a relay to kick on the fan. The other, so it's one wire running in to give it the power, and then once this pressure switch kicks on, you know what I'm saying, and it engages your compressor, it'll also engage one of your fans to kick on, and then that way when your AC is running, even if your car is not up to temperature, it will turn the fan on so it can cool off the condenser. Shout out to everybody that was helping me out. My boy Caprice Lee, a lot of other guys around the forum, my boy Guru. But yeah, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I know that it was a question that a lot of people had. I had it. People were following it, trying to get the same information. So that's pretty much it, though. That's pretty much it. So for your blower motor on my car, there was a red wire that ran from that side over to this side, and that puts power to that blower relay, so that when you turn it on, your blower gets power. But as far as engaging the compressor, it's pretty much up to this switch right here, and then the power coming in, the switch working, or the power coming in, switch connecting, and then putting that power out to the compressor to turn on. And like I said, if you have an additional green wire, you should definitely run that to relay for your fan so that they can kick on. So yeah, man, that's gonna do it for this one. But on to the next step, man. Deadline is approaching quickly. What's today, the 12th? So I got exactly 1 week to my birthday. So we ready. We got the AC working. So we in there. We gotta, like I said, gotta tidy up some parts. And like I said, moving on to the inside of the car to finish up some stuff. I didn't really want to move back to the inside of the car until I for sure had the AC working. Now there is like an issue with my blend door. If y'all seen the other video, my boy Danny sent me that rod that I needed to hold that thing in place. So we should be good to go with that. And that's pretty much it, man. So until the next time, share this video to all you box Chevy riders, box Chevy lovers. The same concept, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna work for your G bodies as well. Same concept. AC pressure switch. I mean, it's 2 wires. One going in to give it power, and then when that pressure is right and that switch hit, you know what I'm saying, that wire going out is gonna turn on your compressor, which I believe for mine is, yeah, this wire right here. So that's another one, man. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man, and I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog DJ Jamalot at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by Chevy 254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted Chevy rider or Caprice today. I hope that you found this video informational, helpful, if you're trying to figure out. Hold on, let me wipe this off. I hope that you found this video helpful, informational, whatever. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's 2:30 in the morning. My eyes look like I got bags and shit. Bring y'all these updates and everything to get this thing running, man. So we well on our way. So till next time, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.